Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Tidelands Caribbean Boardwalk Hotel and Suites. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, beachfront, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a bar. Located on the boardwalk, just steps from the beach, this Ocean City resort offers an outdoor pool and rooms with a cable TV. The on-site Crabcake Factory Poolside features poolside dining. A coffee machine, refrigerator and microwave are provided in each room at the Tidelands Caribbean Boardwalk Hotel and Suites. A seating area and a private bathroom with hairdryer are also provided. A 24-hour reception welcomes guests to the Tidelands Caribbean Boardwalk Hotel and Suites. The resort also provides on-site shopping and free parking, 1 slot per room. Splash Mountain Water Park is 2.1 miles from the Tidelands Caribbean Boardwalk Hotel and Suites, while Jolly Roger Amusement Park is just 1.6 miles away. The outlet's Ocean City is 1.6 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.